Okay, let's dive into a story many of us heard as kids told through a classic Sanskrit poem.
Chances are you've heard this tale in your own language. Let's see how it's taught in Sanskrit.
So our story starts in a classroom. A teacher holds up a picture and asks, "What do you see?"
And the kids know it right away. A fox wants to eat some grapes but just can't reach them.
The teacher knows they're familiar, so she suggests hearing the story as a Sanskrit poem instead.
It begins simply. A single fox, a Shrigalaha, is heading into the forest. But this isn't just some casual walk. The fox is driven by real thirst and hunger.
The search turns up nothing. The fox gets tired, shrantaha, and pretty sad, khinnaha.
But then it sees them, drakshaphalam, the fruit of the vine, grapes.
They're hanging way up high, and just the sight of them makes the fox's mouth water.
So it tries. The fox jumps once, then twice, and then just keeps jumping over and over.
But all that effort just leaves the fox sweaty, tired, and, well, still no grapes.
Unable to get them, the fox just declares, "The grapes are sour anyway." This is the turning point.
And with that little excuse, the fox simply gives up and runs off.
And that's where we get that famous saying. It's a lesson in how we rationalize failure.
You know, it's an ancient story, but it asks a very modern question about handling our own disappointments.